Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Welcome to the computer class of grade 3. I'm your teacher, Ghazal Ikram Zaid, and inshallah we will be discussing about unit number 4, KTurtle commands. So before we move on, let's quickly revise the learning outcomes for today's lesson. So in today's lesson, you will be learning about the direction command. We'll be discussing the center command, canvas size, pen width of your KTurtle, and the reset command. So let's move on. Before we go on for today's lesson, let's quickly have a recap. You have to choose the correct option from the following. In order to save a KTurtle image, the dash menu is clicked. If you want to open KTurtle file and you have made already that one and you just want to convert them into an image file, the options here with us are canvas, file, run, or tools. So which option you are going to go for to convert your KTurtle file into an image? Yes, I'm getting correct answer from your side. So let's see the correct answer for this one. Here we have, yes, you need to click from the toolbar the canvas option. Once you click that one, you can open the export to PNG option and that will be converted to your image. You can see over here this one, and I'm going to make it a smaller one for you. Yes, here when I click on this canvas option, export to image PNG, this option when you go for, that will be converted into an image file. I hope it is clear to you, my children. Now let's move on for the next recap for us today. So here we are. Here we have, this command stops the execution of the program temporarily for some time. It stops the execution of your program if you have written something. The options are abort, pause, stop, or exit. So if you have written a command over here and you just want to check that one and you just want to stop it for some time, you can see over here, this is my toolbar area. Next to save as run, and next we have abort. This is used to stop your files for some time. So we will be selecting the first again option, that is A part abort. So this is your correct answer. Now let's move on for the direction command. Here we have, it is possible for you to command the turtle to point its head in the direction without using TR or TL command. You can do this using the direction command. The short form of direction is DIR. See, if you write like this, you have written, this is a command and example over here, DIR 40. The direction command followed by the number of degrees turns the turtle head in the clockwise direction by those many degrees. So how you can implement that, how you can carry it out? So you have to click on the tools menu. You can see over here in the tools menu, here we have direction chooser. When I go over here, see, next there will be direction chooser option and a dialog box will appear in front of you. And from there you can change the direction, and even when it will appear in front of you, you can see when I click on the tools again from the direction chooser, see, if I change some of my direction, like I'm changing the direction of my turtle, see, it is moving it towards this side, and towards this side if I'm moving it, so it is moving again to the new direction. And if you want to copy that one, just copy to clipboard and then paste to editor. You can see turn left 350 degrees it has taken, because it's the turn left option I have selected. This way your command, you don't need to write by yourself and you don't need to check the degrees at how much. If you want to change the head of your turtle towards the left side to 350 degrees, this is the visibility, and you can simply copy and paste your commands. So I hope it is clear to you, my children, how you can carry out this direction command. And here is the option, an example I have added over here for you. Reset means to change, to make your turtle at a start point. Whichever direction you have written, it will bring to the starting point, FW 100, and then TR 150, and then bringing your turtle back into the center one. How you can carry that one? Let's see over here. I will be writing simply. It will bring back your turtle to the center of your canvas. Once you are going with that one, you can see this is turn left. I have written, if I write over here reset, and then I go for FW 100, and then I write here center. Let's see how it will work. When you can see it does not move. It has, if I carry out again with a slower speed. See, this is taking it, you can see now, step by step, that how it carried out. It changed direction, went forward, then see you have, so it's by the end it is bringing the turtle back to the center position. So this is the way you can carry out your center command. So this way we can carry this one. Now here we have today's task, and that is objective type questions. Remember, this is a book work. So we will be doing the fill in the blanks with the correct options. Now let's move on towards today's first part. Here we have the dash command turns the turtle head to the left side. The options we have canvas size, reset, direction, pen width, or turn left. With the sentence, it is clear to the head. If you want to turn it to the left side, that's simply turn left option. Yes, that's correct. So we will mark our answer turn left. Remember, my children, this is a book work and you have to finish this work in your book. Now here we have second one with us. The dash command clears the screen, clears the canvas. So we have just discussed it before, the reset command. Yes, that's the reset command. It clears the canvas. I hope it is clear to you, my children. Now we move on to the next one, C part. The C part here, the dash command counts the number of degrees from 0. So which command counts the numbers from 0? Yes, that's the direction command, as we have just discussed it over here. So now we move on for the D part. The dash command sets the thickness of the pen used for drawing in the canvas. That's clear with the name. The pen is your turtle, and width, if you want to draw a thicker line, we can go with the pen width option with the pen width command. So it will change the thickness of your pen used for drawing in the canvas. The last part here we have the dash command sets the size of the canvas. So canvas size, if you want to change, so simply that is clear with the name of it. So the canvas size sets the size of the canvas. I hope it is clear to you, my children. Remember, this is a book work, and here is the answer key for you for today's work. You can write down your answers from the question bank, but don't forget to learn the spellings and we have discussed today in the blanks. That will be an help for you. And now we will summarize our today's lesson. We have discussed about the direction command, center command, canvas size. We have discussed the pen width and the reset command. So you need to practice that one. Don't forget to practice these commands in your KTurtle. And yes, before we end today's lesson, we have Google Classroom quiz, and you need to finish that one. It is available over there in the Google Classroom. So the questions are related to the things we have discussed today, and we will wind up today's lesson. A new year stands before us like a chapter in a book, waiting to be written. So start your 2022 with a new vision, new objectives in your life, and have a blessed day. And that's all for today. Hope to see you inshallah in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz children.